Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today I'm trying a possible new food truck menu item. I love chicken wings. I absolutely love them. But if you're like me, chicken wings are priced out of your everyday meal budget. They're kind of high. So I figured, why not make a buffalo chicken smash burger on the Blackstone? We're gonna see how this turns out. Now, as you see by the groceries I went out and bought, should be pretty straightforward and pretty easy to put this together. Now, there's a million ways you can dress a burger. This is just some of the stuff that I came up with that I think would be good on this buffalo chicken burger, smash burger, and we'll just see how it turns out. That's the fun thing about cooking, is just trying it, see how it turns out. You know, at the end of the day, you can say, I could have done this, I should have done this, I should have done that, or it was perfect. So I'm really hoping this is going to turn out as good as I think it is. I've never made this before. There again, making this for the very first time on camera. If I fail, I fail in front of everybody. That's the fun of doing what we do. So go on and get that Blackstone fired up, and let's get this griddle hot, because I can't wait to dig my teeth into what I feel like is going to be this juicy, delicious buffalo chicken smash burger on the Blackstone. Let's get to cooking. Now, before we get started, I would like to mention, you've probably never seen this seasoning or this brand of seasoning on this channel before. This is sent out by Smoking Bro Rubs. There's some delicious rubs. They got a whole set of them out here, and you're going to see the whole set in a reel coming real soon. I just want to give them a shout out. Link to their stuff is down below in the description. Be sure to run down there and check them out. Well, the griddle ain't quite ready, but that's okay, because we need to make up that ball of, I would say hamburger meat, but it's ground chicken. So this is a 1 pound pack of ground chicken. So we're going to kind of quarter it off. Get about a quarter of it maybe. And just loosely pack it. That's all you want to do, is just loosely pack. Now I'm only making one of these burgers right now. The rest of this is going to be used for some reels that I'm going to make later. So be on the lookout for that. Let's go check on that griddle. Well, there's that white smoke. That means only one thing. It's time to get some groceries on this griddle. Put on a little bit of oil first. We don't need a whole lot, just a little bit. Grab that ball of chicken. Plop it down. Now, if you've seen past videos I've done, I've learned a little trick from CJ where you can kind of let this sear for just a second, then give it a flip and smash it, and you don't need parchment paper. It don't stick, it works perfect. So while that's searing for just a second, I say we throw down a little bit of butter and get these buns to toasting. But let's put these over here on this side. I got this side on low right now, as I don't want to cook as fast. We'll just throw down our buns here. Let's throw down a little bit of butter back here. We'll throw them red onions on here too. Now, the reason I'm going ahead and toasting the stuff and getting the onions going, because this smash burger will not take long at all. Or smash. I guess it's still a burger if it's ground chicken. Let me know. But let's give it a quick flip real quick. Yeah, it looks good. It's time to smash. Let's see how well this is going to work out with ground chicken. All right, let's see what we got, y'all. It works. It works. So now let's get some of this Smoking Bros rub, some of this K9 sweet heat, and season that chicken. Man, I can already smell it. That stuff smells so good. Come over here and move these onions around a little bit. So all we're trying to do with the onions is kind of soften them up a little bit. I don't want to cook them down too much. Keep a check on these buns, because they will toast up rather quick, as you see. So we'll kind of move them over to the edge of the griddle here. Man, I'm gonna tell you, these onions sure are smelling good. But this chicken over here with that sweet heat, now that right there is smelling off. And I do believe it's about ready to flip. You can see them bubbles coming through. That tells me it's ready to give a flip. And now to flip smash burgers, I love to get out the wide spatula with these beveled edges. They work so good for this. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how it goes. Oh, look at there. Yeah, that's what I want. A little more seasoning now. Stir these onions up real quick. They're looking good, looking good. All right, the onions looking good. Bread's about toasted. We done flipped that burger. We need to add this cheese. And I'm going with Swiss on this today. And I'm going with 3 slices because I love a lot of cheese. Just love it. So we'll go with that right there. Let's check on this bread. Man, that beautiful toast. Let's take this up. Yeah, that's a perfect toast right there. Onions are still Just about there. So I say we melt that cheese on down just a little bit quicker. Put a dome on it, put some steam to it. A little bit of water under there to steam it up. I promise you, it's gonna melt that cheese on down. All right, it's been about 30 seconds. Let's pop this top and see what we got. I always love taking off these lids and just seeing what the cheese looks like. Yes, sir, buddy. That's exactly what we want right there. Man, the smell's amazing also. I do believe these onions are about done. So y'all, that means it's time to build this thing already that quick. So let's kill the heat. Put our patty up here on this board. Get our onions up here on the board. And y'all, let's take it over here and build this thing. Now, when I meant quick, I meant quick. I told you it would come together fast. And that's what I want. When you come to that service window, I want something I can turn out to you in a matter of minutes. From the time it hits the griddle, or the time you order it, from the time it hits the griddle to the time it's in your plate and coming out the window. That's what I want. Very simple to put this together. I'm gonna basically just put this together. We're gonna start off with our bun. The bottom here, put a bed of lettuce, some shredded lettuce here. Let's see here. Let's add our patty on here now. And from here, it can't be buffalo chicken without buffalo sauce. We got some Franks. We're gonna just kind of sprinkle this, spread this on here. Yes, sir, like that. Get that flavor going. Gotta have ranch. Now, let me know, ranch or blue cheese. I'm a ranch person. I do not like blue cheese, but I love the ranch. But you know, you could put like a crumble of blue cheese on here. That could happen, but I'm putting ranch on mine. So we're just kind of just going through like that. Some of these red onions on top, like so, and then just top it off. It's a good looking burger, y'all. Need to check this out. I'm actually impressed at how this burger here has turned out. I mean, you see that sauce, that seasoned smashed chicken patty, them red onions, that bed of lettuce down there. You know, that Swiss cheese is on there too, on these toasted buns. I mean, look at the toast on that bun, y'all. Look at that. Oh, look at the toppings in there too. Oh, this is gonna be good. All right, y'all, it never fails. Get the food done, the kids show up, especially spicy food, ain't that right? Believe it or not, he loves spicy food. And this burger right here, I mean, it's just, you can see the flavor in it. So I say we cut it in half. Let's open it up and give you a look on the inside. That is looking really good. You want half of it? All right, there you go. Let's dig in and try it out, bud. Let's try it out. That's good. That's bussin'. You think bussin'? Now, last time you took my peaches from me, you gonna take that from me too? You are? Gone, huh? I tell you what. That's all right. I got more to cook. Like I said, I got some more wheels coming out of these. But right now, believe it or not, the heat is not overpowering. That sweet heat of this Smoking Bros rub right here, the K9, that is perfect on this. I mean, I love that seasoning, and I will be using that a lot more. The Smashburger, the smash patty, the chicken, perfect for this. And as you've seen, I mean, this is real quick. I can turn these out real fast, won't take long at all. And they're full of flavor. I think the Swiss cheese is a good choice on this. On the trailer, there will be other options, but I think Swiss works perfect. That bed of lettuce, them sauteed red onions, it all just comes together perfectly. I highly recommend this. If it is on the menu, if you see it on my menu, and you come to my food trailer, you better order it because this is going to be good. But right now, I need to get off here and make some more of these for supper tonight, and we'll see you next time.